Hello mga bangos, part 2. Ay mga bangos, welcome sa Midasing sa Washer, sa Banay, sa Isaac, Tararantes, sa Gilid ng Pasta. In short, pagbago lang kayo, panibagong vlog, panibagong day, panibagong araw na panibagong video na naman. Hindi, kakaano ko lang kasi gagising, tingnan niyo naman mata ko. So, hindi ko alam anong sinasabi ko. So, part 2 na to guys ha. Yung hindi ko ayan. Kaya na nga. Tagal yun. Kaya na. Ang guys, alam ko na. Tatanggalin ko na lang ang heels ko. Itong heels ko. Para hindi marinig. Hindi tayo marinig. Ayan, tanggal. Wala tatanggalin.
The two would get married and have kids. Kyle would work as a doctor, and Usopp would share his tales with anyone in the village who wanted to listen. Their kids would grow up hearing those stories and would dream of becoming great warriors, just like their father. When his kids were old enough, Usopp would start bringing them along on short adventures around East Blue. He would also go on some trips to the Grand Line alone, but he'd always come back home, not wanting his children to grow up without a father like he did. At the end of his life, Usopp knows one of the world's heroes. And while Usopp is busy with all that, Chopper would finally reach his goal, changing the world.
Bago yan guys bago yan.
By the end of the series, he would be known for being able to treat all illnesses, even ones we thought couldn't be cured. Reindeer doctor and save thousands of lives.
Sir, kasi kahit ano gawin naman ng babae, no? Sabihin na natin totoo na kinindatan niya, inaayahan niyang magsayaw. Yung lalaki sa kabilang lamesa, kahit sinong lalaki siguro masasaktan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, sir, may lisensya ka lang ng bugbog.
Hindi ko humingi na rin ang pagkakas niya kayo mo, sir. Inayos ko na rin yun, sir.
Okay. Yun lang ba yung pagkakataon na binugbog mo si Ludi?
Tatlong binig na